Van life. Troubleshooting 101. My issue here is I needed to find and reset my Victron battery monitor, and I couldn't figure out how. So for some reason it reset the pin on me, and I couldn't figure it out, couldn't find out how to reset it. Went online, did my little research, found reset the pin, and now I need to find the puck number on the back of my display panel. The issue is my display panel is set in to where it's, well, buried. You know, I can't really get to it. Right here's my battery monitoring system underneath my disconnect switches. And right here is all my wiring. So I've got to take this off and get back there. And behind my Victron battery system, on the back is a puck number. So that's what I'm looking for, and that's what I'm trying to accomplish. What I've researched and figured out is that they make a camera. So instead of me trying to put my hands back there and trying to take a mirror or my phone, you know, I've asked around and talked to a couple of the RV techs, and well, they have this little awesome camera. The one that we're using is Deptech. You know, I'm not sponsored by these guys or anything, but what it is just a little camera on a wire, and then you wire the camera through, and then you get to the back of that panel, and that way we can see it. And what it does is it runs right to your phone, so as you're running it through, you're going to see it on the phone, which I will show you. So I will obviously not show you how the back of my number, because I don't need you to get my serial number or my puck number, but that's how I'm going to fix it and come to the conclusion of my new resetting my pin.
Alright, I couldn't figure out the microphone on this, so here we go. It's connected to my phone. Here I'm showing you the phone and the camera are working together. And now I'm running this camera right into my wiring to check and find the backing plate for the puck number. As you can see, I can't see too well, so what I ended up doing was grabbing a flashlight and rigging a flashlight up to the top and then going back through. I did end up finding it, and this thing worked perfect for what I was trying to accomplish, though.
Alright, it took me a little bit of time to figure out how to maneuver it, and then I realized that I had no light on there. These little lights at the end of the lens are not giving much to help as far as the numbers go, so I had to take another flashlight, just put it down in there so I could see. But it worked. This little thing was a lifesaver, and I could do it by myself without having to tear anything apart. So I know that you can get them online for relatively cheap. Again, I'm not sponsored by these guys. I don't know what I know it was under 50 bucks brand new when they got it. So just showing you how to help. Thanks for watching. Come back and view my next videos.